Python escape sequence. Consider I have a print function here which is going to print I am Python. If I run this code as it is, we'll get an error. Let's check what error we'll get. We got invalid syntax error. That is because the number of single quotes are not matching here. In order to avoid this error, we'll go for escape sequence. So I want to insert this single quote in my statement, print statement. So I can use escape sequence here. So this backslash is called escape character and followed by a single quote. So this is known as escape sequence. Let's run this. Now you can see we are getting the correct out. Let's consider one more example. So print Python is object oriented. Python is high level language. Suppose I want to print from here, that is Python is high level language, on a new line. So what I can do? I can use different print statement, or else I can go for one more escape sequence called backslash n. This backslash n stands for new line character. So let's run this and check whether we are getting the output. Yes, here you can observe we are getting the print statements on separate lines. Now let's consider one more example. To print path C:\users slash desktop. Can I print like this? Let's check. If I run this again, I'll get a syntax error. To avoid this error, to escape this backslash, I need to use one more backslash here. So now let's run this and check whether we'll get the correct output. Yes, now we are getting the exact out. So what this escape sequence are doing? So these are some of the escape sequences. We have some other escape sequences like /d for tab space, and this is the list. You can go through the list and try out on your own how to make use of these escape sequences in your program.
To watch out more videos on Python, stay tuned to our channel and also subscribe to our channel and help us to grow.